Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Cadillac emblem. First, remove the old emblem gently using a plastic trim tool and heat if needed to soften the adhesive. Clean the surface with isopropyl alcohol and lift any residue with a lint-free cloth. Align the new emblem using masking tape guides, press firmly for 30 seconds, and allow the adhesive to cure before washing or driving. Now we will remove the old emblem safely and avoid paint damage. Heat the emblem edges evenly for a minute, then slip a plastic trim tool under the badge and work around it slowly. If resistance stays, reapply heat in short bursts rather than force. After the badge is free, use an adhesive remover and microfiber cloth to clear residue, leaving a smooth, clean surface for the new emblem. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading repair manuals and reference guides anywhere, with a glare-free screen and long battery life that fits in a toolbox or backpack. It's a handy companion while you work on projects and keeps instructions at your fingertips. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Next, we install the new emblem with confidence and proper alignment. Dry fit the emblem, mark the top and sides with masking tape as guides, then remove the backing from the adhesive pads. Line up using the tape, press the emblem firmly for 30 seconds, and hold steady to ensure contact. Let the adhesive cure for a full 24 hours before washing or driving in heavy rain for a lasting bond.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.